Storytime at Central Library Hub. Now today I thought I'd read some of my favourite poems from Rumble in the Jungle by Giles Andreae and David Wojtowycz. And to help me, I've got lots of friends with me today. So, do you want to hear some poems? You're going to help? Yeah. Okay. Who's going to be first, I wonder? There's a rumble in the jungle. There's a whisper in the trees. The animals are waking up and rustling the leaves. The hippos at the water hole, the leopards in his lair, the chimpanzees are chattering and swinging everywhere. Some animals are frightening and some are sweet and kind. So let's go to the jungle now and see who we can find. Who's first? Chimpanzee! It's great to be a chimpanzee swinging through the trees, and if we can't find nuts to eat, we munch each other's fleas. Lion. The lion's the king of the jungle. Just listen how loudly he roars. Every animal quivers and shudders and shivers as soon as he opens his jaws. Ooh, that was a bit scary. Who's next? Elephant. It's great to be an elephant, all big and fat and round, and wander through the jungle, just elfing around. Snake. The boa constrictor's a slippery snake who slithers and slides round his tree, and when tasty animals wander too close, he squashes them slowly for tea. Ooh! Hippopotamus. Hello, I'm a big happy hippo. I sleep in the sun to get hot, and when I'm not sleeping I mooch in the mud, which hippos like doing a lot. Crocodile. When animals come to the river to drink, I watch for a minute or two. It's such a delight to behold such a sight that I can't resist chomping a few. Who's next? Gorilla. The gorilla is big, black and hairy, and the thing that he likes to do best is to look all ferocious and scary and wallop his giant great chest. Oh. The night has started falling, but the jungle never sleeps. The vulture circles slowly while the leopard softly creeps. And if you listen quietly, you might just hear the growl of a hungry pair of panthers who are still out on the prowl. The lions and their little cubs are sleeping in their den. So let's leave them till tomorrow, when we'll visit them again. I enjoyed that. Hope you did. See you soon. Bye.